Totoo ba yung parang you even close the road? Just for that?
Well, close the road. Meron po.
May mga
scenes po that we do that. Kasi parang ang lakas maka-Hollywood film eh. Yung ibang mga shots namin that we did, Direct Mag did a very great job in this film.
And Miss Shane.
And Miss Shane Sarte, our DOP. Shout out to all Shane natin sa...
Have you watched na ba?
Hindi.
So kailan yung
magdadabing sila?
Yes.
Tonight po.
Are you going to see it before the actual...
Well, ako...
Iba pa rin kasi yung premiere night.
Iba pa rin yung premiere,
Pag
pero
nakita eh.
parang gusto ko naman panatag yung loob ko. So, iniisip ko baka papanoorin ko na ba mamaya, pero feeling ko na. Iba kasi kailangan ko naman hindi na ako makapaghintay ng 12 days. Hindi ko na kaya.
Was it true mean that you got sick abroad?
Well, ano lang, menstrual cramps.
Okay.
Yun naman yung lagi ko.
Once a month.
Oo, yun talaga lagi kong struggle kahit hindi dito sa Philippines na nag-absent din ako sa Bulaga for a day dahil doon. Kasi hindi ko talaga kinakaya mag-work. Pero nung nandun naman, parang hapon nakapag-work naman. So, nung first half of the day, doon ako nagpahinga.
Morning siya nag-start. And then, kailangan lang kasi kay Maine pag when she's under those kinds of ailment. The condition. She just needs to sleep.
Paano na nakatulong si Alden sa iyo?
Ay! Hindi niya ako iniiwan. Nasa tabi ko lang siya.
Supportive.
Oo. Dinadasalan niya ako.
Totoo naman.
Totoo naman.
And it,
pray over ba?
Yes, actually.
Baka it worked.
It worked.
Outside, what were the best parang parts filming that? Parang memories nyo?
Lahat.
Every single...
Wala bang favorite lang?
Verona days.
Verona
days and yung sa when we shoot dun sa mga villas.
Ito ba yung by Juliet?
Yes.
House of Juliet?
Yung House of Juliet.
Casa de Juliet.
Nag-shoot kami doon for a day and malalaman po nila.
Bakit memorable?
Yes,
Kung bakit memorable. Pag napanood yung po pelikula.
Hindi naman si Juliet.
Ay, hindi naman po lalabas si Juliet.
Nabuhay si Juliet.
Nagkatawang tao.
Main pa kwento naman yung story ng song. Kasi parang na-surprise kami lahat.
Wow.
Na naging
Ngayon tinanong to si Malaki.
songwriter ka.
Si Nat yan eh.
Yes.
Well, yun po talaga. Kinuha ko lang sa Google. Char. Hindi, ano po siya? Ano ba? Ginawa ko po yan. Sinulat ko po siya after reading the script for the first time. Natatandaan ko po, nasa kotse pa ako. Napapunta akong barangay sa Bulaga.
Sabihin mo ko yung minutes.
Hindi naman tinatanong.
Sabihin mo.
Well,
Ilang minutes?
mga siguro 15 minutes.
Wow.
Ganun.
Okay.
Basta kasi, so after ko basahin yung script, fresh pa lahat sa akin. So, ang ginawa ko, kinuha ko na yung phone ko, tapos nag-type na ako kasi kusang lumalabas yung thoughts and yung feelings. So, ayun, ang kinalabasan, yung napakinggan, yung po lahat.
Oo.
Yung, ganun siya.
Ganun kabilis, no?
Opo, ganun talaga kapag fresh at...
So, anong contribution ni Alden?
Well, kasi...
Inspiration.
Nakaka-relate din kasi ako kay Gara. So, siguro, ayun.
Ganda ng song.
Ay, thank you.
Yeah, sobra.
Yeah.
Parang nakita ko din talaga na yung story ni Gara and Andrew sa aming dalawa. So, siguro mas naging... Ano ba? Ang gulo mo, Alden! Mas naging
Pero ano
madali.
siya, parang in-offer siya sa'yo, nang gawin mo? Or nag-offer ka na gawin?
In-offer po sa akin. Pero syempre, tinanong naman po kung gusto ko. Pero syempre, isa namang napakalaking gandang oportunidad naman yun na makapagsulat ng kanta para sa first.
You've never done anything like that before?
Well, nagsusulat po ako.
Poems. Diba? You write poems?
Yes po, I write poems. Ganyan. Kasi nagbablog po ako before. Talagang mas ano po ako sa writing eh. Kesa
Mas comfortable.
mas comfortable po ako sa pagsusulat. And dun, it has always been my medium in expressing myself. So dun ko
now,
na-express sa sarili.
I wanna ask, how do you feel na you're close to turning 1 as Aldab? Turning 1 year old?
We're happy po. We're very
Saya.
excited. And kumbaga, all those years, all those months of not knowing what will happen the next day. Kasi
Lagi naman
that's the
ganun.
thrill of it. Kumbaga,
Yes.
that's what we look forward to in the past months that we were doing this. So, kumbaga parang nagulat na lang kami na 1 taon na.
Grabe no.
Ang bilis
po.
nga po, sobrang bilis.
Sobrang
Parang
bilis.
kailan lang nakita
Parang
ko
kailan
siya
lang
sa...
napatan magkantaw. Kakakuni.
Ang bilis po lahat ng pangyayari.
How would you describe your relationship with each other? Your,
Stronger, happier,
Yung
mas
friendship.
relax, the friendship's
friendship now.
deeper,
Yun.
deepest. So,
Mas stronger, actually, as ano eh.
as a love?
As
personal.
mas ano?
Mas more on us.
personal po, kaming dalawa.
Kasi yung love team kasi parang secondary lang yan. What matters most to us is what we have off-cam.
Yun yung both work kayo, stronger both.
Yes.
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 Relation.
Yes.
So ito, how do you, kasi yung story nyo talagang, I mean, kahit tanungin mo lahat ng entertainment show people dito, entertainment media, they always say that your story is phenomenal. Parang it happens once in a lifetime, whatever. So, how do you guys stay grounded?
Just be ourselves.
Hindi kasi, hindi ko iniisip yung mga nangyayari sa akin, yung mga dumadating sa amin na blessing sa amin ni Alden. Hindi ko siya masyadong iniisip talaga. Well, sinasabi nila, gas-gas na itong sinasabi ko. Pero, hindi pa kasi talaga nagsisink in sa akin eh. Parang kailangan ko siguro na isang buong araw para i-process lahat sa utak ko yung nangyayari. Pero siguro yun. Kasi parang tingin ko naman sa sarili ko, normal lang ng babae na lumalabas sa TV, tawa-tawa.
Pero iba-iba na, di ba, yung life. Life yung dalawa.
Yes, parang change.
Changes ka.
Changed po talaga. And we're very happy with everything that has been happening. Parang ano pa bang mas rewarding than you're doing the thing that you love and then you're making people happy at the same time. So parang all hard work is worth it.
What can people learn from your story? Parang young people can learn.
Dami po.
Sa ano?
Sa nangyari sa inyo.
Dami po.
Na pwede namin
Yes.
Basta
like,
chase your dreams.
Chase your
And
dreams.
just always be yourself. Always stay true to yourself and to the people around you. Kasi yun lang naman doon ako nagsimula. Kasi nagpakatotoo ako sa sarili ko. Nakita ng tao na gano'n ako sa inyong lahat. Sa mga tao nakapaligid sa akin. So, ayun. Yun lang talaga. Stay true to yourself. All the time. And to all the people around you.
kapal.
Prayers never fail. Never. As in, talagang I've been a living testament to that. My life has been in a lot of situations that a lot of people could imagine.
Parang nag-serye din yung
Yes, parang I really started from the bottom. Like from the bottom of the bottom. So,
Pero hindi na namin maalala yun.
yes. So, yung kumbaga, hold on lang ako sa faith ko and I never let go. Kasi everything's a test of faith, a test of what you believe in. But at the end of the day, it's prayers that saved me. Above all else, it's prayers.
Basta what's meant to be will always be.
What can we expect after this? Can we expect anything new from you after the movie?
Well, as of now, the movie is what we're more focused. We're more focused on the movie, and we'll see what will happen po after.
It was honestly not because not because this is a press con or anything, but it was a dream come true for me. Kasi sa akin, it was the fulfillment of a very long dream that I shared with my father. He always wanted to do a film set in that specific place in Italy. That was I think 5 years ago. So he always had that dream, and then when Alda exploded, he tasked me to look for the proper story that would be perfect for Alda, that would be deserving of the first movie where Alda would be the star. And then I came up with, this is already, I told this to other people, I came up with 7 different ideas, all of them were rejected. And then the 8th, he said, why don't you just do Italy? I said, no, don't do that, because I don't know about the security measures, because they're so popular, they're so famous, that they're going to stop doing that. So it's gonna be, sabi ko, it's gonna be very hard to manage. Pero hindi, everything fell into place.
I'm sure super excited yung fans. Nakikita ko sa Twitter mo that nagre-react ka sa mga fans nila.
Yeah, sometimes, especially when I was editing. So kasi in between editing sessions, I have to wait kasi may mga inaayos sa editing gano'n. Yun, so I go on Twitter and then people want to ask stuff about the movie, yung gano'n. Tapos nilalaglag ko silang dalawa. Which is all what tonight is all about.
Sige,
You don't mind that ba? Parang nilalaglag kayo ng mga
We mind.
people.
We mind a lot.
They really do.
Anong sinasabi direct? Like, huwag naman mag-post, ganyan.
No, they've never done that.
Hindi rin naman super panlalaglag yung ginagawa.
Hindi pa.
Hindi.
Direct.
Hindi pa. Mamaya, hintay kayo.
Iba kayo ikaw may like, for example, ito talaga yung solo starrer, first solo starrer. Si Alden maraming movies na, tapos ito talaga yung, how was it ba, parang under him or acting?
Kasi sa direct din yung, Hindi po, honestly.
Gutom na tayo.
Sobrang hirap
Totoo.
po. Ang hirap po ka-work ni Direk. Hindi,
Hirap
ano,
ka-work.
kasi siya rin yung nagsilbing acting coach ko doon. Alam niya kung gaano ako nag-struggle sa mga heavy scenes, sa mga drama scenes. And siya yung nagmo-motivate sa akin para makapunta sa, makuha yung emotion na kailangan. And lahat talaga ginagawa niya, lahat sinasabi niya sa akin. And hanggang sa dumalo na yung luha ko sa ano, pero...
Anong
Kasi
motivation?
Parang, let me
Past
just add to that.
experiences.
Oo.
Yes. When we parang felt that we're failing, nung nag-fail kami sa mga sarili namin, Direk didn't stop pushing us. Direk didn't fail on us.
Paano mo minomotivate? Direk?
Ikwento ko sa inyo lahat.
Hindi ko pa yung detail.
It's just, I also wanted to mention na even before we went to Italy, we had already done, I think, five workshops, just the three of us. So just about the movie, kasi they had separate ways to prepare. Kasi their roles are very different, their experience levels are very different. Pero para sa pelikulang to, para sa mga roles nila, we already did a lot of preparation bago man lang kami umalis. So kasi pagdating doon, alam namin, pagdating sa Italy, from the moment we arrive, tuloy-tuloy pupukan yung trabaho. And then by the time we end, we fly home already. There was no time to relax or rest.
Direk, I was told na you left, parang talagang full Blasio budget, everything, even had roads closed,
Yeah.
drones,
Yeah.
and everything.
Yeah. It was legit. Kasi yun din naman yung sinabi ng tatay ko na if we're going to do this, let's go all the way. Kasi yun na nga, it's also a way to not just to honor the phenomenon that is Aldab, that is doing a lot of good. It's also a way to honor the fans. Kasi grabe talaga sila, grabe yung support eh. So parang we didn't want to do, may fan nga nagsabi, kahit ikandado mo lang yung dalawa direct sa isang kwarto ng 2 oras, papanorin namin yun.
Grabe,
Ganon.
no?
Tapos sabi ko, of course, reality lang. Tapos sabi ko, no, we want to do something and make something that is deserving of this phenomenon and this fan base.
Will we know the budget? Can we know?
Oh my, even I don't know. I don't want to know. I didn't want to know. 1 million.
Okay. Pero can we see a different, what kind of Alden were made? Can we?
Oh, well, you've
From
never,
the film.
you definitely, one thing I can promise, you've never seen Maine like this. If this is her second movie officially, but this is her first as a leading lady, you've
Yeah.
never seen her. I've never seen her.
Direk.
May mga nagawa si Maine in the movie, in the shoot in Italy, na kahit si Alden, we weren't prepared to see that side of her, that level. Kasi kahit after the scene, minsan nag-usap kami, minsan kahit kami dalawa lang ni Alden, and then he tells me also na parang nabigla kami. And with Alden naman kasi, he has a very complex role. So sabi ko, even from the very beginning, the moment I gave him the script, sabi ko, Alden, mas mahirap yung degree of difficulty mo. Kumbaga sa Olympics, yung degree of difficulty mo mas mahirap, much more complex. Yung journey mo as a character mas mahirap. But then that's exactly what I expect of you. Kasi magaling ka na. You're already experienced. So I'm not going to have you just do the normal, regular.
Nawala kaya, Direk. Sabi mo na.
Sige,
I lost my core
Ay,
when we were shooting.
What do you mean by loss?
I had to struggle
Ah.
to bring back my actor side. Kasi
Bakit?
I've been rested from doing soaps. Parang pumurol ako, I'll have to admit that. Pero Direk pushed me. Gave me my core back. So parang I've learned so much from this film. Hindi lang the fulfillment of doing the film na para for the sake of wow, tapos na. It's more of self-discovery on our part.
Buti hindi ka na frustrated.
Meron.
Not frustration.
I was so frustrated.
Yeah. That's how we started the film. We started the film with him frustrated because
Yes,
he knows
super.
what he can do, but he just couldn't reach it. Parang hindi niya ma-access. But if there, I'll tell you a secret, which I was planning to tell anyway later
Ay,
on.
unahin mo na kami din.
Oh, breaking news. In the time that we were shooting the film, it just so happened na yung ending naman, towards the end of the shoot, yun yung pinakamahirap na mga eksena niya. So Main's hardest scenes were medyo in the beginning, in the middle. Yung kay Alden sa end. So si Alden started very frustrated, parang hindi niya mahanap yung gut niya, yung instinct niya. Parang
I was
hindi niya
acting.
Oo.
I was acting.
I told him that.
Acting.
Sabi ko, ayoko makakita ng usual, like, soap, very soap acting, gano'n. Sabi ko, ito, sige, hanapin natin, let's work at it. Towards the end, because he worked so much at it, and then he was so patient, towards the end, he was so sensitive already, that he can control. I made a joke to him. Sabi ko, Alden, when you cry, I want you to cry only in this line, not the whole line, not from the beginning, just this line. Tsaka gusto ko sa kanan lang. Kasi nandun yung camera.
Okay.
Tapos, it was partially a joke. Kasi kahit na naman, kahit sa kaliwan, kaya makikita ko rin naman eh. Pero ginawa niya.
Kanan lang.
Sakto.
Okay.
So sabi ko, you'll see it. I think, is it? No, it's not in the trailer.
Direct.
Direct yung trailer, direct. Mga 8 percentage sa whole story. Mga ilang percentage.
Oh, ano pa lang yun. That's just a teaser. This is much more complicated than that.
Okay.
Pero that's all we could tell in 3 minutes.
Yun na lang yun.
Oo. Pero marami pang mga pasikot-sikot.
So, Maine and Alden, any new things you discovered from each other sa shoot while doing
Pero ng professional side,
professional and personal?
Discovered si Maine kasi she will not stop until she get what she wants. Well, the same goes to Maine kasi parang when you're acting, you have a vision of a scene. I want it to end like this. Si Maine, hanggat di niya nakukuha, will not stop doing it over and over again.
Pero kasi direct, kung kailangan ko siyang makuha, baka hanggang ngayon nandun pa rin tayo nagsusunod.
Perfection eh.
But personally, she's a person that you can trust.
Ay.
Everything. Pag gumanyan na lang siya, delikado.
Pero kaya Alden naman, magaling siyang aktor. Yun lang, basta ano ko lang. Basta patanahin ko lang doon na ang galing mo. Hindi, kasi yung galing niya talaga, lalo na dun sa mga drama, sa mga heavy scenes. Mahanga talaga ako kay Alden pag nagpunta ko sa talaga. Parang papalakpa ako sa likod. At sa personal side naman, well, marami akong little things na nalaman about Alden na hindi ko na i-share na pang akin na lang.
Kahit isa?
Well,
Isa lang.
maganda talaga yung katawan niya. Hindi lang, running joke namin yun.
Wala bang?
Kasi yung lagi niya sinasagot sa interview noon. Ano gusto mong malaman ni Maine tungkol sa'yo? Ang sagot ba naman niya na maganda talaga yung katawan ko? Eh di ayan, alam ko naman.
Nag-gym ba si Alden?
Yes.
Doon? Hanggang doon?
Ay, wala po.
Akala ko.
Well, there are times. Kaya nakikita niya.
Jogging together.
CrossFit.
Without telling us, kaya napapani kami. Nasaan yung dalawa?
Wala. Okay, my last question. First question lang sa akin. Anong nasabi nyo na like your fans sobrang solid until now? And they're like hoping na you guys really end up together. At saka hindi lang hope praying talaga.
They want us to end up together.
Kaya nga, parang kasama na ng prayers nila yun.
Well, ang masasabi ko lang dyan,
Sabi nila.
what's meant to be will always find
But it's real. That's it eh.
Everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
Kung ano mangyari sa amin dalawa ni Alden, nakaplano na yun. Naniniwala kasi ako na lahat ng bagay
Sina.
ano nangyari nang may dahilan.
Yes.
Ikaw din, Alden.
Yes, kumbaga kasi
Pero nakakatuwa yung fans nyo.
yeah, and parang yung talaga those real fans, those fans who supports us, they love us for what we are and what we are to each other. So parang that's what they have in mind na regardless of anything that we do, that they see on screen, they love us and they respect us for that.
Thank you.